Hi everyone, my name is Manashri. I am studying 9th class in Madhman High School, Vijayawada. Today, the topic given for us is virus variant from the editorial page of Hindu newspaper. Increased transmissibility is one more reason to follow non-pharmaceutical interventions, with nearly a dozen countries in Europe and elsewhere temporarily banning travel from the UK after a new variant of the novel coronavirus was found to be causing an increased number of new cases there. India has too followed suit. Flights with some exemptions have been temporarily suspended from Tuesday night till December 31st. On Saturday, the UK imposed strict restrictions in Greater London and much of Southeast England. The variant VUI 2020-12 or 1, the first variant under investigation in December 2020, has 23 mutations in all. Though a few of these are seen in the region of the virus that binds to the human receptor, a single mutation, N501Y, has been found to increase the binding affinity, making the variant more transmissible. On December 2020, the COVID-19 Genomics UK Consortium, which identified the variant on September 20, said the variant has been growing in frequency since November 2020 and is reasonable for an increasing proportion of SARS-CoV-2 cases in the UK. Based on modeling, it has been found to be 70% more transmissible, but this is yet to be confirmed in lab experiments. The European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control says that in a preliminary study, the variant has the potential to increase by over 0.4 the number of people a person can infect. There is no evidence as yet that it can cause any change in disease severity or increase the risk of reinfection. Though the N501Y and other mutations are found in the spike protein region of the virus, it is unlikely that the mutations would make the two COVID vaccines that have severed emergency use approval and the ones in final stage of testing less effective. Since far fewer SARS-CoV-2 the genomes are sequenced at regular intervals in India, it is unclear if the variant is already present here. The emergence of the new variant with increased transmissibility is one more the reason why non-pharmaceutical inventions should be strictly adhered to. So this is our today's topic on virus variant. Thank you.